What makes Meyer's sorting intelligent agent so powerful? This episode, IQF Diced Onion Sorting. Onions come in with skins, roots, and debris. Plastic mulch and woven bag fibers are common too. After dicing, there are uneven strips and yellow sprouts. All affect the final product. More challenge? High humidity, low temperature, lots of water. Traditional color sorters, low yields and high losses. Transparent plastic mulch, they can barely see it. Factories rely on massive manual sorting, yet missed defects are still inevitable. Sorting is tough. Cleaning is even tougher. Dead corners breed bacteria. A whole batch could be ruined. Today, we introduce the Meyer KE Series IQF Fruit and Vegetable Sorting Intelligent Agent. No more manual sorting. One machine does it all. The labor savings in 1 year alone cover the cost. Key advantages: fully washable body, high yield, high throughput, auto self-check on power on, with intelligent alerts for any anomalies. Simply select a preset program and start sorting. Specially designed large vibrator and acceleration curve ensure even, non-clogging product flow. This intelligent agent is equipped with UHD imaging system, automotive-grade computing power, clearer vision, smarter judgment, faster sorting. Look at the finished product. Onion dices are uniform in size and color. Strips, yellow sprouts, plastic mulch, all rejected. Operators can hose down the entire machine without powering off, enabling seamless product changeovers. Beyond onion dices, multiple preset schemes are available, handling chunks, dices, slices, and strips with ease. Meyer's next-generation intelligent sorting agent. Pioneer AI agent era. Redefine global sorting. Contact us to book a priority demo.